Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the Celerio to ACC so the head unit is active. This preserves battery and lets you access menus immediately. Once done, enable Bluetooth on your phone and make it discoverable so the car can find it. Next, on the infotainment screen, open Settings, choose Bluetooth, then Add or Pair Device. This begins scanning. You do this now because an active scan reduces interference and speeds pairing, making the next step straightforward and quick. Once the car lists nearby devices, tap your phone's name. You must act quickly because the scan times out. Then compare the PIN displayed on both the infotainment and your phone. Confirm they match and accept on both sides. This prevents accidental connections. After pairing, allow permissions for calls and media. Enable contacts sync if you want hands-free dialing. Doing this ensures the system can access call audio and phone book. Make sure to accept prompts so features work properly. You finish by saving the paired phone as the primary device in the Bluetooth menu so it auto-connects next time. Then test with a short call and play audio to confirm microphone and media routes correctly. Adjust volumes and mic gain in settings if voices are low. If it fails to connect, unpair and repair, or reboot the phone and cycle the car power. This clears temporary Bluetooth cache. Follow that troubleshooting step first, because it resolves most common.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.